All right, CSS battle time, and we have Vertebrae? I don't know. All right, I mean, these are simple shapes. I love that. Simple shapes usually mean a simple solution. But they're all different dimensions. And that that means there's a lot of different ways to do simple shapes, and the combination I choose is going to have a huge impact on how short it is. Okay. Okay. I think I know how I want to do this. All right, we're going to go man. All right, no, it'll work. It'll work. I'm gonna do a back conic gradient. Sorry, I sat there for silence for so long, didn't I? All right, here's what I'm thinking. I want this dark blue background to be present. But I want to try to declare this light blue color as little as possible. Now I'm thinking these could be border block, these top two bars. And then I can just declare one conic gradient background, and I should be able to adjust it for oh man, maybe I don't want that, but I can't do a linear gradient, or else I don't have these light blue bands in between this taller block and that, or this one. Okay, wait. No, that won't work. I was gonna say, if the conic gradient is on the HTML, it's this wider one, there's going to be a little bit to adjust. If I do this skinny one for my conic gradient first, and then the body is just squashed and expanded out. I could scale the border and then do that with margin. Ooh, okay, so the conic gradient means I have to declare the color twice. But the conic gradient on the HTML would give me my light blue thing and the dark blue outer background. And it being on the body shouldn't matter if I take these borders, margin the body down, but scale it up as to its dimensions. So the body just gets margin and scale, and I don't have to overwrite anything. Okay, I like it. We're going to do that. We're going to do a conic gradient. Oops. We're going to do this. I'm actually going to close this off and put the borders on first, because we, I think it's 40 pixels, solid and light blue, because that'll change my, once I get the borders into place, it's going to change my dimensions on everything else. So let's go 0 top and bottom, and like 80, 120, 115, there we go, top and bottom. All right, so now we can write our conic gradient to be that skinny vertical bar. And we are going to go dark blue to 75%. And we're going to go light blue, 0, right? And, ooh, that's fun. Okay, because I margined it down, we are getting the overlap. I can fix that with background size. And that, yeah, we'll be fine. We will be okay, because it's just horizontal overlap, so I can just put in one number, large number, on the background size. So let's get our positioning at, right, we're going to do whatever the width is, like 80 pixels or so. No. Yeah. No. Yeah, because I'm doing my 0 point. So I want it to be 80 pixels, thereabouts, and then it's going to be tall, so like 200 pixels. That looks about right. Now I need to position it. So then we're going to come down here. We have our shape, our image shape. Now we're going to shift it over. So we're going to go over 50 pixels. Oh, not quite. 45. All right. And we're going to go down 10. There. So we've positioned it, and we're getting this repeat still on each side, which is kind of cool. I'm not going to lie. I kind of like it. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a slash and 5-inch, something like that. And it goes away. Because what I said now is our background size should be 5 inches across. And so it's only repeating every 5 inches. Since that's so much bigger in our viewport, we don't see the repeat anymore. So I bet we could, if we did 1 inch, now it's doing a lot. 2 inch, you see those edges. 3 inches, it's gone. 4 or 5, it doesn't matter at that point. It's just characters for us. Okay, so we have this in place. Now let's see, when we do the body, we don't need to overwrite anything, or we are going to overwrite everything. So we do the body. What do we have? We have everything the same right now. So let's go margin 50. Ooh, 20. Okay, this is going to be the tricky part. I'm going to be playing with numbers for a while, so I would jump ahead if I were you, if this even works. No. 1.2, 5.6, 0.7. That looks like the width I want. And then like 2, 3.5. Ooh, whoa. I want to expand the vertical, not detract from it. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, let's go 80, 0. Oh, there we are. We are much closer there. All right. So if I do 20, ooh, I'm controlling it. 0.8. 0.7 seems about right. 6.9, 6.8. It's weird how it's shifting on 2 dimensions. 70, 60. Okay. Perfect. 1.5, 8. Let's look at this. All right, that's what we're seeing. 8. Let's see if we need to turn this up. So it's going to be playing with the scale and then the margin. I'm not sure. I'm not great at manipulating this. So, ooh. 8.5, 5, 6. It's very close. What are we seeing? Why are we seeing an artifact down here now? It's the margin. Yeah. Oh, hey. I'm going to hit submit. Let's just see if that worked. I kind of like this solution, honestly. I haven't done this sort of thing successfully before, and there it is. I don't know if the scale is going to be cleaned up or not. I'm pretty happy with this. I declared each color 1. No, I do have the light blue declared twice. So there is that. But I don't think there's any way around that. Yeah, I don't see a way around it. All right, let's see. 45, is that 5PC? That is... No, it is not. 48Q? Ooh, that looks good. Please keep it together. I'm gonna reduce, and then I'm gonna be all done. So again, skip ahead to see if I figure it out. And yeah, just look at the end. See the final score. Nope. Nope. 45 pixels it is. There might be something better for that, but I'm not looking it up. I'm lazy sometimes. Alright, is the 80 pixels the one that can be 5 PC? I know there's one. Oh yeah, it's 80. That's what it is. That's how I do 80. 5 PC. 5 CH for 40 and 5 PC for 80. There we go. Happy day. And this can be 50%? No, because it's the vertical. Oh, yeah. 91? Okay, let's see if 91% works, because it's whatever the height of the HTML minus the borders is, and then whatever that percentage. Okay, 91% worked. I like it. I wonder if 80 pixels can be a percentage. Let's test that. Ooh, 20, 10, 18, 17. Doesn't look like it. I'll accept 5 PC. It's okay. Alright, the rest I'm going to leave. Cool. Happy day. A lot of fun. The other day, yesterday's, I think, I didn't get back to it in time, but I saw like 5 extra characters I could have saved. It wouldn't have been top 10 anyways. I was close. It was border dashed to get that, but whatever. Alright. Cool. Fun one. Kind of cool. Hope you're having fun with it, and I'll catch you later.